In this video, I will show you how to send money on TapTap Send. So if you want to send money on your TapTap Send, then you need to go to the Home tab, and then from here you need to select the country that you want to send money to. So I'm just going to select a country in here. I'm going to scroll down and I am going to select the Philippines. So let's go ahead and click on the Philippines, and in here we will see the rates. So we see what we will get for €1 in this case in Philippine pesos. So right now you know how much you will send in the end. So let's select an amount of €10. Then we can see that is 645 Philippine pesos. So right now we can just go ahead and click on next, or you can use my code when you click on add promo code to get a €5/$ off of your transfer. So you can find that link in the bio. So go ahead and use that if you want to. Anyway, I'm going to click on next. And then from here, you need to add a new recipient. So go ahead and click on add new recipient in here. And then first you need to select a delivery method. So as you can see, these four options have no fee included. So that are bank account, Gcash, Maya, coins.ph. And these payment methods are based on the country where you are sending to. So you can just go ahead and select the one you like, or you can also select one of the cash pickups, that is Cebuana or Palawan Pawn Shop and others, and for this you will pay a fee. So go ahead and select the method that your recipient has. So you can just select one of these six. I am just going with bank account, and in here I just need to fill in the full name of my recipient, the bank name, the bank account number, and I need to confirm this bank account number. And once I click on next, then I will go to the next step in this process. And what you're simply going to do is you're going to fill in all of these details and make sure that everything is right, that there are no mistakes, because otherwise your transfer could get disrupted. But anyway, if you have the right information put in, click on next, and then you will need to go through some other steps. And then in the end, you will be able to send the money through TapTap Send with the bank account from your recipient. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.